Welcome back to the crypto channel, everyone. Right now, Bitcoin is bouncing from a major support level, but that's just the beginning. There's a new pattern forming that could signal the next big move. Oh, and did I mention that BlackRock just sold the largest amount of Bitcoin they've ever sold in a single day? Yeah, we're talking about that, too. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear picture of what's coming next for Bitcoin. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's start with some shocking news. Over the last few days, the Bitcoin ETF scene has seen massive outflows. On Monday, we saw $226 million leave the spot Bitcoin ETFs, and then on Tuesday, just Christmas Eve, we witnessed a staggering $338 million exit. But here's the kicker: BlackRock, the biggest player in this space, sold almost $189 million worth of Bitcoin. That's the largest sale they've ever made in a single trading day. Now, why does this matter? Well, when money flows out of these ETFs, they have to sell Bitcoin to pay those outflows in cash. So, in real time, this is exactly what happened with BlackRock. The question is, why now? Why are they selling at this point in the market? Is this a sign of a larger institutional shift? We're seeing big players buy near the top and sell near the bottom. Something's definitely up. Keep watching, because I'll break down exactly how this could impact the next moves in Bitcoin. Now, let's zoom into the charts. If you're watching this and thinking, hey, Bitcoin's still looking pretty bullish to me, you're not wrong. On the weekly time frame, the larger bull market remains intact. We're still seeing signs of upward momentum, despite a little dip in the short term. Yes, the MACD is showing some signs of slowing down, but no new bearish crossover has confirmed yet. So, we've seen this before. Remember last year when Bitcoin cooled off for a bit after a big move up? The market chopped around for a few weeks, before surging to new highs. That could very well happen again, and I'm leaning towards more sideways action before we see the next major breakout, likely sometime in January. But, and here's where it gets interesting, the bearish divergence on the weekly chart is still technically in play. That's one of the first warning signals we're seeing in this larger bull market. So, even though we've got a longer-term bullish outlook, don't be surprised if we experience a bit more of a slowdown in the short term. In fact, you might want to buckle up for some bumpy price action in the coming weeks. So, what's next? Is it the end of the bull market, or just a minor pause before the big wave? Let's talk about your next move. The short-term chart shows a potential W pattern, also known as a double bottom pattern. This is a bullish reversal pattern. The price is bouncing from the $92,000 mark, a key level of support, and we could be looking at a breakout above $99,000 soon. If we see a confirmed breakout, we're looking at a potential price target of around $106,000. Sounds exciting, right? But hold your horses for a second. This isn't a done deal yet. We need confirmation, and that means waiting for a clear breakout above $99,000. If we get that, we could be looking at a solid 7% gain. Now that's some serious profit potential. But here's the catch: if we break above $99,000 and then fall back below, it's a fake out, and all bets are off. That's why it's crucial to wait for the confirmation. Now, I've got a question for you. If you're watching Bitcoin right now and thinking, I want to trade this, you can, but only with the right strategy. If we do get that breakout, you could enter a long position with a clear stop loss, lock in some profits along the way, and potentially make a serious return. So, where does that leave us? With Bitcoin at a critical juncture, it's do or die for the next few weeks. I'm telling you, the action could be intense. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you'll need to watch every move closely. Before you go, make sure you check out my video on how to trade these big market swings in real time, whether the market's bullish, bearish, or chopping sideways. The link's right here. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep your eyes on Bitcoin, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.